Next, I will call upon Pravesh Vyas, who is going to present his paper on scientific proof of astrology. It's a very interesting thing.
Shri Guruve Namah. There is a number 108, 108. In ancient text, it's very important. There is that when we chant the mala, there is a 108 number we used to chant. There is also said to be 108 varmas in the subtle body. Also, it is said that there are a total of 108 main energy lines, nadis, that radiate from the heart chakra. Thus, the number 108 relates to the Sri Yantra as well as the human body. In the Krishna tradition, there were said to be 108 gopis of Krishna. There are 108 forms of traditional Indian dance also. In the Vedas, there are in Mundaponishads, there are 108 Upanishads are listed in Mundaponishads. There is said to be 108 tantric texts. Ancient texts is that the Atma and Human soul passes through 108 different stages on its path to enlightenment. And in astrology also, we have 108 Nakshatra Charana. I want to show the secret behind this 108 with astronomically. It's very interesting that I have also checked with the website of NASA that diameter of Sun, Vyasa, is equal to the 108 diameter of Earth. And also divided by the Sun's diameter to the Earth's diameter. That number was 107.912 like this. Not only this, the distance between Sun and Earth is equal to diameter of Sun 108 times. Not only this, the distance between Moon and Earth is equal to 108 diameter of Moon. So ancient seers were knowing all these things. That what is the 108? Now you have got to know that what is the secret behind 108. Ancient seers would be saying by 108 that the number 108 is the sign within the rhythm of time and space. When we use 108 repetition of a mantra, saluting the order of the universe and aligning our intention with the divine will. Then another way, we are harmonizing our personal vibration with the natural vibration of creation. In my research paper, I have given the scientific proof how we can prove the effect of the universe upon the human body. More than 50 researches I have in my laptop, but I have just given 10 researches which are very important to share. Because of shortage of time, I am just showing 2 or 3 researches. First, in between researches, I have taken the quantum physics and the theories related to cosmic chemistry, magnetic theory, law of vibration, the modern theory about consciousness, mind over matter, and also on. So I want to say about 2 astrophysicists are there, named Richard Ruff and Pierre Simon. They discovered that some tiny particles are coming every moment from the universe. They call neutrinos. They say that neutrinos are the breath of stars. Scientists have long known that neutrinos were energy particles, and they have since proven that neutrinos do indeed have mass, confirming a portion of the information imparted in the mystical experience and lending credence to the aspect of the system itself. The fact that neutrinos have mass is key to understand why we are influenced by the planet and by one another's presence in our life. Mass is essential for storing information. The mass of a neutrino is like a magnetic medium of tape or a computer disk that retain information, and that then can be transfer information elsewhere also. Any energy carries the information out through the universe. These tiny particles are so small. They pass through even the densiest, like we say, Anuraniam. And the densest object imaginable through planets as well as people, as well as animals, insects, planets, plants, or so on, receiving and transmitting information as they flow. Neutrinos are literally the breath of stars, constantly streaming out from our sun and other stars all over the universe. Over 3 trillion neutrinos pass through every square inch of our body, each second carrying information to us about everything they have penetrated and taking with them information about us. Next thing I want to show you that how the moon is related with our emotions. Recently, research has been conducted by Japanese scientist Masaru Emoto. Many of you will be knowing that how the water reacts with your emotions. Whatever you think, water also reacts with that. We can think that water is the main basic source related with our emotions. We are having 70% water in our body. I think the source of emotions is that water. We are containing in our body. And also the modern science has discovered that there are hundreds of gallon water in solid form on the moon. And also we all know that the tides are related to the moon, that the gravitational force of moon affects the tide. That affects also our human body, and the society increases whenever the full moon is there. So, because the water contains the emotions, that's why the moon is also having the a big amount of water. So that's why the moon is related to our emotions. And like this, I have also given some information about the Jupiter effect. The information given by those satellites, visor 1, visor 2, which kind of rays are coming. We are just aware of the sounds which we are able to hear, and we can also only see the just a limited area of light. We can't see infrared, gamma ray, X-ray. There are many rays we can't see, but there are rays are coming from the universe, and many scientists have proven that science. And also the sounds are coming from the universe. And also, there are many things which the human body can't absorb, but they are existing. Thank you.
Because you have done a lot of work, but due to time constraint, we couldn't be forced to restrict you. Excellent work is being done by you, and there will be more interaction, but due to time constraint, we request those who are interested in interacting with Mr. Vyas can discuss, because it's a very wonderful topic. In many other places, such research is going on. I don't know whether few months back, I didn't remember exact date, there was a conference on some relevance of Shastras to modern world, which was conducted in Haridwar, near Haridwar, where there was a paper, the different Kavya for each and every planet, according to astrology. For Guru it is Kanaka, and
the law of vibration. Why the super is related with scientific knowledge?
I have read, that's why I am just interacting with you. I read the paper and I have read it. That's why I want to give this suggestion to you. Last, if I remember right, 4 or 5 months back, there was a conference in which a detailed paper was discussed on the different dharmias and how they are related to the planet and also the Kavya. For example, Guru